Good evening traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna do the forecasting of upcoming week, like according to my points how market is gonna react for upcoming week. So guys, before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated for my upcoming video. Now I'm gonna announce the winner who win the entry of my paid group, who comment on my previous video and win the chance to get enter in my paid group. The winner is the Pakistani trader who comment, congratulations who win, I wish I can win this week and thanks for your awesome analysis. I make good money to follow your analysis and your free paid signals on Telegram. From last 1 week no free signals, so please continue. Please, thanks and good luck for next week. Thanks. Congratulations Pakistani traders, you have won that chance to enter in my paid group. So please contact me on my Telegram, which is at UK Pro Trader, is at UK Pro Traders on Telegram. So I will add you in my paid group. And guys, if you want to be a part of that group, so please comment in this video. If you have any question about my analysis or you want any special analysis, you can mention in the comments, so I will definitely do that. So if you want to win the chance to enter in my paid group, please comment and please like this video, share this video to your friends, so you will get the chance to enter in my paid group for free. And same like today, I will announce the winner for today video in my next weekend video. So let's start our analysis, what I am looking for upcoming week in forex currency market. Let's start our analysis. So as you can see, this is the chart of daily CAD JPY. There wasn't a lot of movement in that, so it's already break this support level, and right now trend is down as well. So what I am expecting from CAD JPY, this kind of movement and then come down at least this level or this level, then I'm interested in buying. But before I buy, I have to see the price action, like how that pair react on that place. So guys, this is not a signal, that's my forecast. If you need signals, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and contact me over there, so you will get the chance to enter in my paid group. Let's move to our next pair, which is Chf Jpy. That's the daily chart of Chf Jpy. Is break this resistance and take support from here and it start going up. So I'm expecting this kind of movement, and then the day is break this support level, then the Chf Jpy will go down at least 110 or 19 an hour, and then I will interested to buy this one. For upcoming week, I'm expecting Chf Jpy to go down, but still I'm looking for this sell entry from where I will solve this. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD JPY. I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down. As you can see, in this week is break this support level, but it didn't go down. So as I told you so many times, I always expect this kind of movement. So exactly the same thing is doing. One moment up again from here. When it break this support level clearly, I will check the price action and then boom. So I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD CAD. I'm expecting AUD CAD to go down. As you can see, it's touching this resistance level again. It's touch over this support level and it's come back up again. So I'm expecting this kind of movement in AUD CAD and then it's gonna down. So I'm expecting AUD CAD to go down. I'm expecting all CAD pairs like AUD CAD, GBP CAD, USD CAD, Euro CAD. I'm expecting all of them, they will go down. If you have any question regarding those, please mention in the comments, so I will happy to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD Chf. As you can see, I didn't place any trade this week in AUD Chf because it was moving a bit sideways, but for upcoming week what I am interested in that right now trend is down and is strongly down. So when it will touch this support level, I will see the price action and I will buy, or when it will come down to this level I will buy. For AUD Chef, I'm expecting it will go up, but we have to wait for the right entry from where we need to enter. Alright, let's move to our next pair, which is AUD and ZD. AUD and ZD is moving a bit sideways, so I am not interested to do trading in AUD and ZD. As you can see, it's in between, so I'm not interested to do trade in AUD and ZD. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD USD. I was expecting AUD USD to go down in my previous video, and exactly the same thing happened. As you can see, it's touch up over this resistance level. Let me clear this so you can watch clearly. Touch this resistance level and it start coming down. So I'm still waiting for one more up, this kind of up movement, and then it's gonna down. I'm waiting to break this, and the next target of AUD USD is excuse me, 0.65. so I'm expecting AUD USD to go down, but we will wait for the right hand. That's it for the AUD pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which are Euro pairs. Excuse me. Euro AUD is moving a bit sideways, so I'm not interested in trading in Euro AUD, but when it will come up at least this level, because I'm expecting this kind of movement from AUD, when it will come up this level, then I'm gonna sell. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting Euro AUD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro Jpy. The guys who watch my previous video and who are in my paid group, I was expecting Euro Jpy to go down, but from now I'm expecting this kind of moment and then it's gonna go down. So I'm waiting to break this my support level. The next target of Euro Jpy is 0.116, but it's not gonna happen in one day or 1 hour. Guys, this is not a signal, that's my forecasting, because when I take signal I see a lot of things, the price action, the waves pattern, Fibonacci thing, so the moving averages. So when I place any trade, I will go a lot of confirmation and then I will place trade. So I'm expecting Euro Jpy to go down, but we will see the correct entry. The next pair is Euro CAD. As you can see, it's touched over this support level, now is going up. So I'm expecting Euro CAD to touch this level, then I'm gonna sell. So I'm expecting Euro CAD to go down, but I'm waiting for this kind of moment. It will come at least this level or this level, then I'm gonna sell. So I'm expecting Euro CAD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro Chf, which I highly recommend. Do not sell Euro Chf because I'm expecting this pair will go up a lot. As you can see, it's touched over this support level, so I'm expecting Euro Chf to go up. But next week, right now market is running, but there is no volatility in the market right now in Euro Chf. So next week I will see, I have to buy from here or it will come down to this level and then I'm gonna buy. So I'm expecting Euro Chf to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro NZD. Let me zoom in. So Euro NZD is moving a bit sideways as well, so I'm not interested in that, but if it will come up this level, then I'm gonna sell, because I'm expecting Euro NZD to go down, but we have to wait for the correct entry. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro USD. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting Euro USD to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. I'm just waiting to break this support level, which is 1.17 level. The days break that, the next target of Euro USD is 1.08, which is my monthly support level. So I'm expecting Euro USD to go down. That's it for the Euro pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which is one of my favorite pairs. The guys who are trading with me for quite a long time, they knew this is GBP pairs. That's the chart of GBP USD. As you can see, it's already break our this support level. So I'm expecting GBP USD to come down this level, or I will see if the market move like that. I will wait for the breakout, because in the long term time period I'm expecting GBP USD to go up, but we have to wait for the correct entry. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro GBP. As you can see, Euro GBP break our old support level. Let me zoom out for you guys so we will see we have any. Yeah, Euro GBP already break our all this monthly and daily resistance level. Now it's targeting to the weekly resistance level. I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down, and it will go down a lot, but right now Euro GBP trend is up and is 100% up. So when the market will open on Monday, I will see the price action, and I'm gonna sell Euro GBP. So I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP AUD. GBP AUD break these two support level. So I'm expecting GBP AUD to go up. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we earn about 250 pips from that trade. Like we earn all these pips, and now it's come back again. So I'm expecting this kind of movement. I will wait for breakout, and boom. So I'm expecting GBP AUD to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CAD. Right now GBP CAD is in between, so what I'm expecting from GBP CAD to come down on this level, and then I'm gonna buy. I'm expecting GBP CAD to go up. As you can see, it's touched over this support level a week ago, and it's earned this 300 pips from that. Now it's coming back down again. So I'm expecting GBP CAD to go up for upcoming week. Let's see what happens when the market will open on Monday. Our next pair, which is GBP Chf. Let me zoom out for you guys. As you can see, GBP Chf is break our this daily support level. Now it's coming down. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting GBP Chf to go up, but right now it's going down. So when market will open on Monday or Sunday night, I will see the price action, and I'm gonna buy that, because I'm expecting GBP CAD to go, GBP CHF to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP Jpy. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting GBP Jpy to go down, and exactly the same thing. I just touch over this support level. So if it's break that, the next target of GBP Chef is 1.30, which I told you guys in my previous video as well. But in the long term time period, I'm expecting GBP Chef to go up, but we have to wait for the correct entry. If you have any question about any pairs, you can mention in the comment section. I will happy to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP and Zd. As you can see, GBP and Zd is also touched by this support level. So I'm expecting GBP and Zd to go up, but we will see the price action when the market open for upcoming week, next Monday or Friday night. So we will see how market will react, and we will place the trade according to that. That's it for GBP pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which are NZD pairs. As you can see, NZD, this is the pair of NZD CAD. It's already touched this resistance level, and I am expecting NZD CAD to go down. I'm waiting to break this daily support level. The days break that, it's gonna boom down. So I'm expecting NZD CAD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD Jpy. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting NZD to go down, but I'm still waiting for break this support, then it will go down. But I am not, because from last 1 week it's moving a bit sideways, so I'm not interested to place any trade in NZD Jpy for upcoming week. NZD Chf, same with NZD Chf, is about right now in between, so I'm not interested in trading in NZD Chf. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD USD. Guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting it will go down, and exactly the same thing. If we break this support level, the next target of NZD USD is 0.63. if we break that, then 0.60. so I'm expecting NZD USD to go down, and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD CAD. As I told you in the beginning of the video, I'm expecting all the CAD pairs to go down. As you can see, it's already break my this resistance level, and now it's going up, but I'm expecting this kind of movement and then it's gonna fall. So I'm expecting USD CAD to go down. So we will see the price action when the market will open on Monday, and we will see from where we need to enter. Our next pair, which is USD Jpy. I was expecting this pair will go up. In my previous video, exactly the same thing. It's touch over this support level and then it's go up. So I'm expecting little bit one more down movement and then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting USD Jpy to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD Chf. The guys who watched my previous video and who are in my paid group, they knew we placed buy. So we bought it about from this level. So I'm expecting USD Chf to go up. As you can see, it's already touched my this support level, and after that it's going up. So what I will show you. As you can see, it will go up a bit down. So this kind of movement I'm expecting, and we will see this breakout and then boom. So I'm expecting USD Chf to go up. Let's move to our last pair but not the least, which is gold. And I just want to say congratulations to those guys who have placed this trade with me on this level is 1770. So I was expecting gold to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. So as you can see, it's already break my this resistance level. So the next I'm expecting now is going for this movement, and then it's gonna go down. So I'm expecting gold to go down, and it will go down a lot in the long time frame. That's it for the video, and thank you very much for watching my video, and please take care of yourself, stay safe. Thank you very much. Cheers. Allah Hafiz. Bye.